Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what was in my BoxyCharm box, then just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I am looking at is Crown Brush 3-piece Pro Brush Trio. So the 3 looks like this. They are very soft, super soft. And then there is like one brush here and then a smaller one and then the bigger one here. So I'm going to use this brush first. I know it is not for your eyes, but I'm going to use it. And I'm going to use my Too Faced chocolate gold palette. And I'm just going to start by taking this big one right here just to kind of set everything. And let's see. Oh, it's like super soft. I really like it. And I know this is, once again, not the right brush that I'm supposed to be using it, but I think it's going to be fine because it's just kind of giving everything just a coat of it, and I actually kind of like it. It's just like really big and easy to set it. Nice. I'm actually really liking that. Right, next it has this brush and I am going to be using the smaller right here. I'm going to put it right into my crease and see how we are liking this brush. So it's definitely not supposed to be used for your like a whole like blending. So we'll see if this is going to work because it's kind of like tapered. It's not like, you guys know what I'm saying? It's not like a round brush where you can like really blend everything, but we're gonna see if this is gonna work. Alright, so if I turn this on the side, it actually really does. It works well over here. And if you just want to like put everything here, which was where you want it, then you flick it on the side and it kind of blends everything over here. So it's actually working pretty well. I'm gonna go a little bit darker right here and just kind of putting it more in the crease of everything and then just kind of blend it just so everything is nice and blended. I actually really do like this brush. It's super easy to use because it has like, you can get it thick on the side and then when you do it the other way, it can be smaller. I don't know if that's making sense, but I'm just gonna do the exact same thing but make it a little bit smaller. I'm just going to go back in on the side and kind of blend everything together. Alright, so the next thing is from Vintage from Jessica Liebkind. I don't know. It is a smoky eye pencil. So I'm going to put this under my waterline under here. I don't want to put it out here, like on the outside. I want to look at in the inner part right here. Alright, next from the box, this is from Purr, and this is the Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Okay, so I'm going to put some of this on my lips and kind of exfoliate things. Well, it feels good. And it's definitely exfoliating. I'm gonna put it on my here. It smells really good. Alright, so this next one is from Naked Cosmetics, and I'm pretty sure it's a highlighter, which would be awesome. So, yes it is. It is a highlighter, so I'm gonna use this one and see how it looks. Okay, that was good. Let's see how this one goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And let's do this green one. Pretty. Nice. But the problem with this would be like, when would I wear like a green highlighter, I guess? I don't know. Alright, and then let's do this one right here. That one's more chalky. Ooh, pretty. And I'm going to use this brush right here because this is the one in the box also. So I think I'm going to use this one right here. Let's see how this highlighter stuff goes. Okay, I think it's because of the brush that I'm using. So I'm gonna put a couple little bit on top. Okay, you can definitely see that now, yes! Oh yeah. That highlighter is awesome. Right, and I'm just gonna put it on my nose too because YOLOs. And my Cupid's bow. Alright, so since I have not used mascara yet, I'm just going to use my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara really quick. Really quick. So the last thing in the box is from Cover FX, and this is a shimmer veil. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, pretty. So it looks like this. Once again, I don't know if it's gonna match with everything I already have on my face, but we're gonna put this one anyway, so let's just see how this goes. Alright, so this definitely does not match everything what I have on right now. Alright, so I don't know if I like this. I think it's very like, you can't even feel that it's on, but you can definitely see that it's like purple and like different colors, and it just doesn't really work, especially with this highlight. Just nothing really matches together, but you don't have to use them all at the same time. But this is everything that I put on my face from the box. So the box is empty. So everything, the grand total, if I can get it, this highlighter goes for $40. This pure lip thing is $17. All of these brushes from Crown Brush, these are all $30. This lippy right here from Cover FX, this is $28. So everything from this box is around $150. So that is absolutely amazing because, as you guys know, you do not spend $150 for using BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is awesome, and I love that it's all for makeup. So if you guys like makeup, then trust me, you guys would love BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm. I've been doing BoxyCharm for a very long time, and trust me, it is super good. I will leave my link down below, but I know you guys will absolutely love everything for BoxyCharm. Every month, it's just so good, and it's like definitely things that like you probably wouldn't get like if you go to like Sephora or something. So it's good for you to try different other items and things like this. So I really highly recommend it. Once again, I will put the link down below for you guys, and it will have some % off. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!